this man legit sent me 200k. Hey, now wow. 200k. Oh.
Which supermarket is that? I want to check something.
Check what? What are you checking? I'm still trying to get over the scam from yesterday.
Oh, the card. Sorry.
It's fine, I beg. It happens.
So what's for tonight? I mean, we should link up now. At least you have money now.
I forgot to mention. This uncle wants us to have dinner.
Wahala. Are you going to go?
Mm-hmm. An open space, I'll go.
What about Fola?
Long story. I'll gist you when I see you.
Okay, can I come?
Where?
The dinner now. Sure you don't want him?
I beg, please. Hold on. Babe, let me call you back.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi. Am I on to Sandra or Kitty?
Yes, this is she. Please, how may I help you?
So polite. So I saw your post.
Post? What post?
On everyday news online that you're looking for your husband.
I'm sorry, you're definitely mistaken.
No, I am not. Are you not Sandra or Kitty? It was posted today.
So sorry. Wrong. Hello?
Hi, is this Sandra or Kitty?
Yes, this is she.
I must say you look so beautiful. I saw your post on every day.
So...
You are on your own. Daddy claim they have your back. When you fall, you go line for ground, then you realize that.
Hello?
Sandra, how far?
Mommy, please. This is not the time.
Have they started calling you?
Mommy, are you the one that put my information online?
Yes, now. I was speaking to Mama Chinedu and she said her son did same.
Mommy, please. I beg you. Call them to take it down. Please.
No. Something that I paid for.
Yeah, I'll pay you back. Please, I'll pay for it. Mom, never mind. Never mind. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, this is Sandra or Kitty.
How may I help you?
Please, can you pull down my information from your site? Please, I don't want any trouble. And perhaps you guys did not even clarify from me. This is illegal. Please, can you pull down my information from your site right away? Please, I beg you.
Okay, ma'am. I'll see what I can do.
Good. Thank you.
You are on your own. Daddy claim they have your back. When you fall, you go line.
Sandra, I apologize again for bringing you out this early. It's not what I planned.
It's fine, sir.
Okay. So, I was going to ask you, what exactly do you do?
I manage a small restaurant and I do a couple of stuff.
You do a couple of stuff.
Yes, sir.
What is couple of stuff? Do they teach that in school too?
It means to get by with whatever opportunity that presents itself.
To get by with whatever opportunity that presents itself. Like hustling.
Yes, sir.
Like you hustle. Not bad, not bad. But I was going to ask you, you know, a pretty girl like you have not considered modeling?
I've thought about it, but
Okay.
I have never tried.
No. You should try it. I mean, if you look at your... I'm just joking. Have some wine. Have some more wine.
No, it's fine, Sam. I'm okay.
Sandra, what is wrong with you? Be free with me. You don't have any problem. You don't have... I've told you. Look, listen. I'm not out to get you. No. Come on, I noticed that you have just been... You are uptight. No, be free with me. You have nothing to fear. Nothing. Nothing at all. Because I noticed you are just boning and bothering. No. In fact, the moment you met me, best believe you have jammed your breakthrough. You have jammed success. Don't worry, as we proceed, the more time we spend together, you will stop snapping pictures in front of people's car. Or adjusting your breast in front of tinted glass.
I know say one day I could definitely buy my car. Make I first shut down Instagram. Just 500.
You say my body hot like a fire. Say make I put it down low. You say I'm the baddest.
I'm so sorry, sir. I didn't mean to. I'm so
okay. It's okay.
Sir, I didn't know you were inside.
Me too. I didn't know you were outside there. Okay, eat. I'm just joking with you. Oh, come on. But you should have tried this one. This one is so good. Hey, Sandra. Amazing time. So, where are you going to now?
I just want to stop by somewhere.
Somewhere. With that your boyfriend that said you should not come out to eat, huh?
No, sir. Just a friend.
Just a friend. Okay. So can I drop you?
No, sir. I'll just take a cab.
You take a cab. Okay, if you say so. But let me give you something for transport then. If you don't, no, come on. Okay. No, it's okay. It's all right. So, I'm just a phone call away. You have my number. Call me, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll catch you, okay?
If you come see my mama, I go show you the matter. And if you give it to me, I go give it to you. Say not ready by my batter. Say if you come see my mama, I go show you the matter. And if you give it to me, I go give it to you. Say not ready by my batter. Baby, push it down, say break it down to the floor, da 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 da. The way you put it on me, I swear to God, you did make it my back go low. Fais comme ça, 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 fais comme ça. Baby, push it down, say break it down to the floor.
Guy, honestly, there's no way in the world I would have known. Okay, I was just trying to have fun.
It's fine, guy. The truth is, I shouldn't be angry at you at all.
Exactly. Look, I'm sorry. Okay, I really am. So what are you going to do now?
I don't know, man. See, I've tried calling her and she's not picking my call since.
That's not good, though. That's not good at all. You have to find a way to reach out to her and do it quickly before she just shuts you out. Because when that happens, it'll be really hard to get her back, and you don't want that.
You know she should be the one begging me, right? I mean, after all that happened yesterday, really.
Yeah, right. You have a point.
How your babe, Zef?
I beg, just leave that one where she is. Because the moment Kemi finds out I'm in this town, that girl will pack all her things and be here. So please, I need some space right now.
Kemi is a lot of trouble. I don't want to see that.
Let me get that.
Right.
What are you doing here?
Why are you not excited to see me?
You don't understand.
I just want to talk.
Look. You shouldn't be here.
Why are you fidgeting? You didn't have a problem yesterday.
Yeah, that was before I found out you were dating my friend.
I don't know.
You don't know what? You don't know you're dating my friend?
It's complicated. What do you want to hear?
Yeah. What's going on here?
So, I'm curious. What's the plan?
Plan? What plan?
If we get married?
If. Somehow, I would have expected you to say when. But where we are right now, if sounds about right.
You like doing this, right?
Do it.
I don't know, it's like you like playing with my heart like it's ping pong.
No, Jazzy, how? It's never like that.
Then, do we agree to tone down on the whole exposing our body thing on IG?
Well, I have a gift for your mom. It's a nice little something that I really hope she appreciates. I know she doesn't like me, but that's fine, but I really want her to have this.
You're deflecting.
Let's talk about the gift that I got your mom now. At least open it. Don't you want to see it? I hope Mom C really likes it. What do you think? It's nice. Yeah. I hope she likes it. Do you want me to stop kissing you?
Thank you.
Make sure you give it to her. I know how bad you are with gifts. Tell Mom C she's welcome.
What's going on here?
I don't know. I don't want any wahala, I beg. Okay, I don't know.
Is this it?
It's not.
You really don't know she was coming here?
Guy, now, you were here. We were both here when she entered the house now.
Fola, it's just...
Just stop.
Yeah. Please, stop. Guys, I'm really pressed right now, so yeah.
Sandra, what is going on now?
Can you just lower your voice?
I should lower my voice. Sandra, huh? Do you realize that you're the one that is supposed to be begging me? For goodness sake, I thought that we were perfect.
Fola, yes, you thought. Fola, I'm sorry, okay? What happened yesterday was a mistake. One that shouldn't have happened.
Am I dreaming? A mistake? It's a mistake that you just went about sleeping with a total stranger.
Fola, I wasn't in the right frame of mind.
Oh, now I get it. So when people are not in the right frame of mind, they can go about sleeping with strangers?
Then I'm sorry.
Are you okay?
I'll be fine. Fola, you're a great guy. And you deserve the best. You don't deserve any baggage.
What are you saying?
I think it's time we go our separate ways.
Oh, I get it. This is the it is me, it is not you speech.
Fola, I have a lot going on right now and I just can't.
It's fine, it's fine. I'll make it easy for you. I will leave.
Kunle, if you see the way this babe kiss me, I bet that's another girl should kiss.
You don't start. That's the problem I have with you. You two, they lie. So want to them out. Thief. Why you... Girl, when you say all of us, what the eye. I don't wait me reach my turn. Now you don't... Guy, warn yourself. Oh.
Guy, I feel you really reason me less. You reason me like say I be one of them and wait this place. You know how that girl there with me? Eh? Best when they come out every time. That girl is my bestie with the wrong things.
best.
We say...
Today they call people bestie. I beg you. Oh, see that. It is thief. But wait first, hey. But wait, where's Sandra day? Some way she never come. You think she will come up today?
You know how Sandra be, she don't go one or two hustle now. You know how she did do. When I hustling girl, she'll come back anytime soon.
For your mind now, you know everything about her.
I said that my friend, that my girl.
Where they come? Are they come?
Go outside and you know report it to your girl.
I just can't dream be that why be bus driver. What is it now?
I won't say anything. Absolutely nothing.
Mr. Chinedu, what do you want?
Are you joking? What do I want? What month is it? Or you are forgotten you haven't paid your rent yet?
I will pay.
I'll pay. I'll pay. When? You're already 2 months due.
Mr. Chinedu, I'll pay before the end of the month.
You're very lucky that you don't give me trouble in this compound. Else, you know what? Let's just leave it at that. Hmm?
What was I thinking? Fola won't message me after all I said yesterday. Good morning, ma.
So, if I didn't come, you would not have come to check on us.
Mommy, I'm extremely late for work.
So you want to send me away? I should leave. The same way you would not pick my calls.
Mommy, that's because I know what you want to talk about.
What do you know that I want to talk about?
Mommy, I need to go get ready for work.
I thought you said you're the boss.
This woman actually thinks I own the restaurant. Yes, but I also need to supervise.
Right. So go and get changed. We need to talk.
Is Uche okay?
Uche is fine.
Is everything okay?
This is so we know everything is okay. So get up, go have a bath, change into something really nice. Good makeup, good hair.
Okay, Mommy, I'm gonna go get dressed. Kasim, how far? I don't show.
No, where you dey?
I still dey house. My mama just come and bush me for house this morning.
Omo, you don't enter with that. But you never sure. I feel still cover for you. Don't worry, just take your time.
No, now, when you get to the roundabout, you just make the turn, yes, and then go, yes. When you get to down the road, yes, yes, you just turn left. So the house is on the right like this.
Oh.
You like?
I love.
Girl, this is what I do. Listen, by the time I'm done with you, you would want to lick your body.
Don't flatter me.
No, I'm serious. All right, quick question.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any idea how banging your body is? No, you don't. Okay, look, you should be proud of your skin. This is gold. You should flaunt it.
Thank you. I don't think my boyfriend will be happy to hear these things.
What? Does he know your body is art? Does he? Huh? Look, he should be grateful that he has all of this to himself and not be selfish. The world needs to see this, see all of this.
Okay, so how many people will be in the studio with us?
I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow. They feel that everything the post. I've been many places. I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow. They feel that